Hey Bellaras, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of dealing with dry, patchy skin or looking for a natural solution to get that glass skin glow, you're in the right place. Today, we're making a DIY rice mask that not only brightens but helps you get a radiant, glowing skin that feels fresh and looks flawless. Before we dive into this easy recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our weekly skincare hacks. Let's get glowing! Rice has been used in skincare for centuries, and it's no surprise why. Here's why rice is amazing for your skin. It contains natural antioxidants that help lighten hyperpigmentation, giving you a bright and even skin tone. It's like a natural exfoliant that smooths rough patches and gives you that glass skin effect we all dream of. Rice locks in moisture, leaving your face feeling plump and hydrated. And hey, if you're really curious about all the amazing benefits of rice powder, be sure to check out my previous video linked above. Alright, now let's get into how to make this amazing rice mask. It's super easy and you probably already have these ingredients at home. First, rinse 2 tablespoons of rice well to get rid of starch. We want a smooth and clean mask, not a sticky mess. Then, add enough water to the rice and let it cook. Don't let it dry out. Keep a bit of water in the pot to make it easier to blend. Once the rice is cooked, blend it into a smooth paste while it's still warm. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is a skincare game changer. It will hydrate, brighten, and soothe your skin. Pop that beautiful rice paste in the fridge for 10 minutes. This step helps to cool the mask, making it feel so refreshing when you apply it. Now, it's time for the fun part. Apply a generous amount of the mask all over your face, avoiding the eyes and lips. Relax for about 15 minutes and let the magic happen. After 15 minutes, gently wash it off with lukewarm water and follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in that glow. Your skin will feel like silk. For extra glow, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it and you will be glowing like never before. And there you have it, a super easy natural DIY rice mask that will leave your skin glowing, bright, and smooth. If you try this mask, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who need a little glow up, and make sure to subscribe for more natural skincare magic every week. Stay glowing, Bellaras, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!